I absolutely love traveling. There is something magical about being in a new place and surrounded by nature. That wanderlust is exactly something what inspired me for today's painting. Getting lost in new places, waking up to the sound of bird and breathing fresh mountain air. This is exactly something I wanted to showcase in this painting. I generally don't share the other work that I try and stick to florals. But with this 100 painting challenge, I want to go beyond my comfort zone, try different subjects and tell different stories. It's not just about the flowers, it's about the journey of exploration. So if you're joining me, be ready to experiment. Let's paint what we love, even if it's little unexpected. And don't forget to tag me if you try something new too. I can't wait to see your work. See you in Painting 5.